Today, we are discussing the 3-2-1 backup method. What is the 3-2-1 backup method? The 3-2-1 strategy means having at least 3 total copies of your data, 2 local backups on different devices, and at least 1 copy off-site. The original copy of your data is the first. If you back up to a second hard drive, NOS, or SSH box in the same physical data center as your server, this is an on-site copy. Restoring a local backup from an external drive or the same physical location as your data will be significantly faster, as a rule of thumb. The offsite copy should be at a different physical location than your data. Most commonly, this is in the cloud with the hosting provider of your choice. Use different media types whenever possible. For archive data, cloud storage and tape storage are considered industry standards. Another approach is to clone your NOS to an external hard drive and take that offsite, swapping the drives intermittently. To set this up with JetBackup, I've added a local destination to a secondary mounted drive, and another to an SSH box. In this case, I've also added my NOS. You can conveniently back up to multiple destinations by adding multiple destinations in a single backup job. Here I'm adding the other 2 destinations. And now I have a single backup job that will back up to multiple destinations at once. For more videos about using JetBackup, please see the links in the description below.